In this lesson, I want to show you how to add a simple footer that just has your company's name. So from the Helix, I've already showed you how to get to this. From the Helix template, you go to the copyright. So you go to basic and you go to where it says copyright, and you can put your company's information right there. And I'm going to change this to, you can put it to whatever company's name that you have. So that's going to show at the very bottom here. It's going to show the year, and it's going to show who's the owner of this company. And that's another great way too for you to just keep things simple. It's just some way for you to keep things very simple. And then when you're done, you just click on save.